So you can create here so far one also small tree and create the like this. Here also the make the tree leaves. Okay. Make the small tree over here. So there is like a forest. In the forest or this house, I make a tree and tree and tree and tree and tree. All tree are separate, different looks. Okay. Make the tree long. Take your times. Okay. Finish for that much. Okay, slowly. Make it slowly, not fast. Okay. Hello. Hello. I'm not trying. Now. Okay. Sure. Take time. आराम से make it just.
So finish. Can you do?
Yes.
1 minute, sir.
Yes. Done.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we are making one thing here. From this house are going the road. Okay, this is the road. The stairs. And here making the road. This is the road. Okay. We can make in the road some. Oh. Hi ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yeah. Complete. No problem. You can join offline if you are good. Online also if you wish. Same. Available. Yeah. Yes, available. Same class, just reading online. Cool. I give the link. Okay, say hi Kapal. Send the link. It's message you want. Yeah, if you say you want message hi Kapal, send me link. That's it. Thank you. Okay, so make it a more tree over here like this. More like this. So just see how slowly you can make it the more nice drawing. Not first. I add some tree inside in between the tree. Okay, I just add some tree like this, the brushes. And here I also see something in front with the brushes. Okay, I'll bring the brushes like this. Take time, we are making more details.